right, Val. Milo, let's see who's the real.
You're on, Milo. No holding back.
The duel begins as Vale and Milo climb with fierce determination.
You're fast, but I've got strategy.
Whoa!
Where'd the ropes go?
Just keep climbing. We can't stop now. Oops. That was totally planned.
Thanks for the boost, Ari.
Narrator, the final stretch pushes their creativity to the limit.
Not so fast, Vale.
Nice move, Milo. Let's finish this.
You both did it! That was amazing!
Good race, Milo. Let's call it a tie.